All right, it's that time of the morning. Let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange, check in with Jim Cramer. Jim, what do you think about the market's turn this morning, the news we got from Merck?
Look, I think it's real. I was going back and forth with Dr. Topol, who's one of my experts. He's been on Mad Money a bunch of times. It is a game changer, and that's absolutely terrific. We did have, by the way, Ron Klain saying, the assistant to the president, that numbers are down 25%. So we're going to see the airlines roll. And I think that, look, it is great news because what we have to do is we have to get away from the idea that you're going to the hospital if you're not vaccinated, even as we don't want to necessarily promote no vaccine. This is the game changer we've been looking for. And so Merck, while up 6, can conceivably go higher. I don't like the rest of Merck's portfolio other than its cancer portfolio. But you know what? This is very, very important.
Probably worth pointing out to people that it has not even been approved by the FDA yet for EUA, emergency use authorization, and it's going to be a while before it's widely available. So don't go thinking that this is going to save you tomorrow. But great news overall for what this means eventually for really getting COVID under control.
Look, I mean, remember, the Regeneron drip is amazing right now, but that is considered to be obviously laborious versus a pill. Our country likes pills, not drips. I'm thrilled that Merck is doing this. David Faber's been concentrating this forever. But again, Merck is way underperformed. So if you bought some Merck here and if it came in, you could buy more Merck. It's a very good company with a very good balance sheet. It just has underperformed like a lot of other drug stocks, including Bristol. But Bristol does not have anything like what Merck is bringing. And I know David's very excited because we do have an interview.
Right.
David's right here. We have an interview with the people who are really doing it. Look,
the partners who made it.
It's a phenomenal company that actually did it. But it doesn't matter. I mean, look, Pfizer, we could say they ever did it, and Pfizer is the one that gets credit. So what matters to us is that it seems like it really does work, and that is very exciting.
It is. Hey, Jim, I know that this is a big day for you. We've got the announcement of the CNBC Investing Club. We talked a little bit about it earlier, and I know you're going to talk about more of this coming up on Squawk on the Street. I don't want to steal your thunder, but I'm hoping you can give us a little bit of a tease.
Well, look, I will do something that I think that everybody at home really needs, which is offer transparent decisions, tell you why I think you should do something. It's also connected with my charitable trust. I can't really do the stuff for the trust that I do here because I end up frozen, so to speak, when I mention the stock. But here's what matters. If you're at home and you're trying to figure out what to do with all this great information that we give every single day and other information that is available but is not really explained, well, you join the club. And the club is going to be the place where you find out what to do. You get a very good read on what is happening at the actual moment. And we also give investment ideas. We'll give trading ideas. We're not a trading club, so to speak, but we want to show you why people are doing what they're doing. We would talk about Merck and how high you should play and how much you should do. We talk about Scarlett Johansson, what it means for Disney. But what we really do is put it in English. Sometimes we make it exciting, but it's all about education. It's about education and making it so that people can understand why something goes up that shouldn't, they don't think, and why something goes down that they think should have been going up. It's really good for this younger generation, the Robin Hood generation that wants so much to have fundamentals. What are fundamentals? Why does something go up? Why is something recommended? And it's the why. And I think the why has been lacking, and the club is going to give you the why.